Welcome to my channel, Didika Desire to See. Today, we will know how our attitude is built. That means, what's made attitude? Attitude is built with combination of three components. Those components play as input to build our attitude. The components are affect, behavior, and cognitive. The first component of attitude is affect. It means feeling and emotions towards something. We can give an example. We like C. That means it's our feeling toward C. The second component of attitude is behavior. It indicates our action, behave, or act, which is generated by our feeling and emotions towards something. For example, we like C, so we made fun when we go to C. The third component of attitude is cognitive. It indicates our knowledge and belief towards something. For example, our belief C is a place for entertainment. So, when we go to C, then we made fun. Please subscribe my channel. To subscribe my channel, please press subscribe button. Thank you.